Part 2. A Smart Child. Intelligence. People and nature.
Mom, in kindergarten, I learned that we should protect nature. But what's nature?
Air, soil, water, mountains, fields, rivers, oceans, animals, and plants are all parts of nature.
Why should we protect nature?
We have to live together because we are a part of nature too.
Right.
If there are lots of trees in the forests and on the mountains, the air stays clean.
If there are lots of trees, there will be more cicadas too.
You can see lots of cicadas in the summer.
Yes, I hope summer comes soon.